So welcome guys. Today's video is about how you can increase the engagement on your Instagram stories. We all know about Instagram stories, right? So and we know that if many people are interacting with your contents, your stories for example, Instagram will push it out to more people. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can encourage more engagement on your stories so that more people will also get to see it. I'll just go over to Instagram and go to stories. So let's say we want to post a story. Click on the plus icon and select story. So I'll just select a picture or a video from my phone to post as my story. So let's say this is my story. So once you have your story right here, at the top you'll see this icon, this face, square face. That's the gifts icon. So when you click on it, this page appears. You can see you have a lot of options. So the first way to increase engagement on your story is by using polls. So you look for the poll option here. You can see it right here. You click on it. It pops up. So this allows you to ask your audience a yes or no question. So that's way, once they see your story, they will be encouraged to answer the question. So you can ask a simple question like, have you had dinner? So once you, after typing it, you click done on top. As you can see, it has been added. So you can reduce the size if you want. Reduce the size and you place it where you want it to be. I don't want it to block my story. I just place it on top. Then you send it as you normally would send your story. So when your audience see it, they automatically answer the question. You have encouraged them to answer the question. So the second way of increasing engagement on your stories is by using quizzes. So let's go back to post another story. So let's say I want to post this story, right? I'll go to the same gifts icon and click on it. So now instead of clicking on post, I'm clicking on quiz. You can see with the quiz option you have multiple choice. So you can see where the option says you type something for your, maybe a question for your audience to answer, then you put the options. So I can type, do you know the size of this bag? So when you're choosing quizzes, you know the correct answer, right? So where you want to place the correct answer, that's the option box you click for. So I want the correct answer to be B, so I'll just click on B and go ahead and type, let's say 5. Then I'll type on A and put the other answer. So when they click on it, you can even add more options. Let's say I want to add, click on C and add. So when your audience see this, they've seen the question, then they've seen the options. So when they click on any of the options, if they happen to click on B, you can see B is the correct one. They will immediately see that they've answered the right question. So that's another way to encourage engagement on your stories. And when people are engaging, as I said before, Instagram will be pushing it out to more people. So when you're done, you click done as usual. You can see it's very big, it's covering my post. So I'll just reduce it and then place it where I want it to be. I want it at the top here. I'll just take it to the top and leave it there. So anybody watching my story will see it and then be encouraged to not just to view the story but to answer the question. So the third and last way of encouraging engagement with your audience through stories is by using the question box. So let's say this is my story. Again, I'll click on this GIF icon at the top. So I won't go for quiz, I won't go for poll, I'll just click the one written questions. So when I click on it, so you can see this this box pops up. So I'll just encourage. This is really to encourage your audience to ask you a question. You can type any question you want them to ask you. Say, what would you like to learn? As you can see, I've asked a question. So when I type the question, I'll click done. You can see, as usual, I'll reduce it to the size I want and place it where I want. So you are encouraging your audience. What would you like to learn? So anybody seeing it will now type something inside the box, and then you'll get a notification of it, and then you can engage with the person. So as you can see it, guys, you can use these 3 ways to increase engagement on your Instagram stories, so that your posts gets pushed out to many more people. I hope you learned quite a few things from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.